So the first question is kind of basic here. Find the value of the probability of the standard normal variable z corresponding to the shaded area under the standard normal curve. So the first one here is that you're looking for the probability that z is less than 1.45. So to do this, I'm looking for a score that's less than 1.45. So if I go to the table, I want to be on the positive table where the positive z-scores are. Now, keep in mind as I do this, so let's go back to this table here. It's always an area that's to the left of z. So these are always going to give me areas to the left of a value. So, I'm having the right region, so all I have to do is find 1.45 on this table. And so if I come down to this formula here, 1.45, I'm going to come to the 1.4 column, or row here. This is 1.40, 1.41, 1.42, 1.43, 1.44, 1.45. So this is the value I'm going to use as my probability. So the probability that z is less than 1.45, going back to the slide now, is going to be that 0.9625 I found on the table. So that's pretty straightforward. It's still an area to the left, so this one's pretty easy as well. I just got to look up negative 1.75 on the table. So going back to the table, I'm going to go to negative. I'm going to look up negative 1.75. So I'm going to go to the row negative 1.7. This is negative 1.70, 1.71, 1.72, 1.73, 1.74, 1.75. So this is the value I'm looking for. So 0.0401, so the probability that z is less than negative 1.75 is 0.0401. You're not always going to be given things that have areas to the left. Sometimes you might have an area to the right. Sometimes you may have an area between two values like this one. The probability that z is between negative 1.32 and negative, or in between negative 1.32 and 1.74. So try to see if you can figure out a way of figuring this out.